welcome to another one. You can tell by the title and by the fact that I don't have my gear on that it's a different day. Doing some really interesting stuff today. Is this guy gonna wait? Nah, bro, you go. You can tell by the title that we're doing grocery shopping. Now, I've done something like this before, but I only did it like as a TikTok. I have to go get groceries, and I figured just because I made another video earlier and I don't feel like recording it, so I'm just gonna scrap it entirely. Hence why we don't have the front camera. I'm telling you, bro, I do not like using the front camera. It's nice, but it's just such a pain in the ass to edit. Just takes so much longer. But we're going to Sam's Club, need to get some food, and the reason why I don't have my gear on is because I have a different kind of bag with me, and with this bag, I can't really wear my gear. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show it while riding, but fuck it, let's try. Nice little short straight. Yep, I'm not even gonna risk it. I grabbed my bag and I said, yeah, no, that's too risky. Basically, I have a giant ass duffel bag, and when I have my suit on, it's not gonna really work well because my movement's gonna be restricted, but we're good. So long as we keep it safe and we keep it chill, should be safe. Oh shit. Dude, at least it's a nice ass day. Thank God for that. Alright. Oh my God, dude, I forgot how much more neck movement I have without my gear on. And a stoplight, perfect. Because my music isn't playing. I need to figure out what the fuck is going on. Because I don't know how to get to Sam's Club. I think, I don't know. Oh my God. Thank God I'm recording. Oh my God, no comment. Do you, bro? Dude, something told me to record this ride. I'm so glad that I did. I hope this video isn't chopped because that's funny. At least he had the same livery on the same country car. That's funny. Alright, now I need to have my eyes open because it should be around here somewhere. But the question is where? I have no clue where the fuck I'm turning. And the really shitty part, my helmet is not going to give me directions unless I have music playing. You know what? Pretty sure that's it right there. Let's go. Are you going to Sam's too? Oh, you are? Okay. I'm gonna follow your lead. Probably was a really stupid idea. Alright, where can we park? Let's park somewhere kind of far. Yeah. That way we can do a little bit of YouTube vloggy shit. And nobody will say shit. Well, they won't look at us weird. Alright, so if I can take this off in one motion. Okay, so this is the bag that we have that we're working with, right? Now, we're gonna fill this up with food, come back, and then honestly, just go home after. Dude, I love these new gloves, but I hate the fucking lines they're leaving in my shit. I don't know. Anyways, I would film with me being inside, but I don't know if you guys are ready for a MT Dallas grocery store vlog. So I'm gonna go do all my shit, and then I will see you guys when I get done. Deuces for now.
So we are done. We have our groceries. I was gonna put my helmet on and then film this, but honestly, bro, with all the shit that I got, I don't think it's possible. But we got some eggs, pepperoni, some hot dog buns, basically some croissants, Got some plans for some breakfast sandwiches, some mozzarella sticks, some pizza crust. Very interested to try that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, get all my shit put on, and then we're gonna get on the bike.
All right, all geared up now. Let's fucking do this, dude. This is going to be tough. The bag is filled literally to the top, like you guys saw, and I have no clue, dude. I'm just really worried about being too heavy on one side and potentially falling. Oh no, I'm straight. Luckily I only have to go like 2 miles. That's also kind of a part of why I didn't wear my gear. I think if I was going a lot farther, I would have just said fuck it and just worn my book bag and still worn my gear. Only reason I'm not wearing my gear is because of how close I am. Granted, that's not a valid excuse to not wear your gear, but I mean, you know, as long as you're being safe, not making dumb decisions, speeding, you're good, you know. Now the other question, how the fuck do I get home? Because I have no clue where the fuck I am. Can't tell. This road does not look familiar. Anyways, I don't even know where my train of thought was going. Oh yeah, the excuse to not wearing gear. Yeah, it's not a real excuse, but you know, just be safe and you're chilling. The only thing that I'm concerned about, I mean, the croissants and the bread that I got, yeah, it's kind of squished, but it is what it is. I'm honestly really worried. Oh my god, I am heavy. The biggest thing that I'm worried about are the eggs. I wasn't planning on getting eggs, but it kind of just happened. Okay, got my map speaking to me now. We're good. Oh man, like I said, very short video. I don't know, man. I just low-key just wanted to get out and just film something. It's just a quick little video, but I don't know. It would be nice if, you know, it's gonna be real. I can turn my music off now. It would be nice if eventually, you know, we get the channel to a point to where we start collecting money. Oh shit, hell yeah, bro. Where we start collecting money to a point to where honestly I can do these grocery runs and it'll be you guys paying for it. It's fucked up as that sounds, but I mean, that's how it works. Okay, y'all are gonna be safe and let me go. Thank you. Because obviously, you know, I make these videos for myself, but also, you know, I make them for people to enjoy. I don't know, getting paid is just a motivation to make more entertainment, I guess. I don't know. Damn, it feels really good wearing a t-shirt while riding. Oh my god. But can't let that shit continue. Can't keep up the bad habits, you know. We've been doing really good wearing our gear literally 25/8. This is the first time that I've actually like gone on a ride without my gear. All right, I think as I only have like, you know, 1 or 2 more turns to go, probably be maybe like 10, maybe 15 minutes of footage already. What I am going to do, go ahead and make this note right here for you know, editing Dallas. Did the eggs survive? This is not my fucking turn. Anyways, oh my god. Did the eggs survive? Put the answer in my hand right here. Right there, put it there. And with that being said, we are gonna go ahead and end it here at this lovely stoplight. Give it a nice big stretch. I don't know what the fuck just happened there. Anyways, I will catch you guys in the next one. You all know the drill. As always, ride hard, fly safe, hit your limits and never go past them. As always, I am your boy, Mr. MT-, and I catch you guys in the next one. Deuce.
Dear chopper.
Well, at least I caught it on camera.
And then we have our lovely assistant. Look at him. He's got his zip ties. And he's got his little tool.
How's this angle looking?
Talking Allen, flush my Glock up in this motherfucking face. I got it